Hi guys, you are watching my YouTube channel Professor for You. I am here with another very important thesis. Thanks for subscribing my channel, liking and sharing my videos. I hope that you have been enjoying a very pleasant moment in a relaxing mood, but I have a specific request for you that please make a due attention for this session because we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is more work versus quality work. So let's start. The person who is working more, working continuously, he start doing everything which he feels may be beneficial for him. After some time he feels that it is not beneficial for him, he leaves and start another task. So what he gain in the result of such working style, I mean working more, I think he did not leads him towards the speed of achievements. You observe daily so many people having complained that they did not getting such results in regard of their working more and continuously. Of course they are absolutely true, because they are going down day by day or maybe constant in their achievements. So what is the basic error and where it is? Like the topic of our thesis is more work versus quality work. So the above person is working more. But not acknowledge the quality of work. On the other hand, an other person who did not involve himself in multiple works in his life. He chose to do a specified work and ultimate field of work. His average working hours is very much low, but his achievements are more solid and more beneficial in comparison with others. Both above said persons having same brain, same thinking, same approach, same body and also same in all aspects of life, then why they are so opposite in their achievements? Only both having different approach towards aim and goal of life and also having different mode of thinking. First one having no aim of life and also his mode of thinking deems like selfishness. Moreover, he always approach towards specified interests. His actions may cause harm for others because he always runs towards his personal interests. On the other hand, the other one whose goal is creative, positive and depends on common interests, such person always do quality work. His every action should be decent and concise. He works less but works on the theme of positivity and creativity. The person who doing more work, basically he wants to show his working duration in front of others or seniors. But the person who doing quality work, basically he wants to show his abilities, to want to show his approach in specified field. I showed you one comparison between horse and donkey working style. Both are useful in loading purposes and also useful for transportation. The horse runs the races, may he runs only one race in a quarter and earns much respect. But the donkey who runs daily with loads and transportation the luggage towards the destinations but not earn any respect. Why? Because the donkey is doing more work, not doing quality work. So please always choose to do quality work, not to choose do more work. More work which may cause only your cookiness, not any other benefit. We have another comparison. The person who do more work in office did not get much promotions, much benefits as the person who do quality work gets, because the importance of quality work is much higher in grades and no one can do his work. I mean no one is alternate to do his work. In other side, the common work can do anybody and having no such importance. Another example, one day I was reading a book. The dog was running to chase the rabbit. Dog was trying to catch the rabbit for eat him in lunch, but the rabbit was jumping and running wisely. So in the end, dog tired and sit down in corner and asked the rabbit? How do you get success and save your energy and life? Rabbit replied that there was only different in our aims. Your aim was only to eat me, and the aim was depends on selfishness, and I was running to save my life, and my aim was to save the life of my children and my life also. So I was planning wisely, fastly and intelligently, and you was trying rudely, selfishly and badly. That's why you get tired and face the loss. So in the end, please try to choose quality work, and when you start any kind of work, then please, my listeners, then please concentrate on it and perform it in best way. And please utilize your full energy and services, because your work basically is basic source to earn the respect in the society. So please acknowledge our today's thesis and pick the key points in the lecture and try to follow these points. It may be helpful in your practical life and you get dominant position in the society. Thanks for watching my video.